Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this soft mauve look for you guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I have already applied concealer on my lid as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this Rose Gold Revolution palette for this look. The first color I'm using is the lightest pink shade in the palette, and I'm applying this with a fluffy blending brush. And add a little bit more and focus on the crease. And this is the next color. Apply this one to make the crease a little bit darker. And blend the outer edges with that first lightest pink color. And more of the second color to make the crease even darker. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 to cut the crease, and I'm doing this with the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm looking upwards with my lid to see where my natural crease is. I will apply this brown shade at the inner part of my lid and a little bit on the outer part of my eye. And I will apply the NYX pigment on my lid in the color Vegas Baby. I thought this pigment was perfect at the center of my lid. I will make the outer V of my eye a little bit darker with this color. apply a little bit more and I will build it up in little steps. Blend everything together with the colors you applied before. And I will use the same NYX pigment on the inner corner of my eye. I will make the lower lash line darker with this dark purple color, and I'm doing this with this Wave smudging brush. I'm applying the H&M eye pencil in the color Pale Nude on my waterline. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye!